You think you're ready for summer. You've got the water, the sunscreen, the ridiculous hat, but you're still getting destroyed by the heat. That afternoon slump hits like a truck, your skin is screaming for help, and you have absolutely zero of that awesome energy you're supposed to have. What if I told you the ultimate summer hack wasn't more water or stronger sunscreen? What if it was this insane green powder from a plant that has literally been called the miracle tree for thousands of years? Everyone is talking about spirulina and matcha. Forget all that. There's a new king of green powders that makes them look like child's play, especially for winning the summer. This is not a trend. This is a secret weapon. In this video, I'm going to show you how this one ancient plant solves your biggest summer problems. We're going to look at the insane health benefits of Moringa powder, and I'll give you some simple recipes that actually taste incredible. Okay, let's be real. Summer is trying to kill you. It's not just fun and sun, it's a nonstop attack on your body. The heat is draining you, the sun is blasting you, and all the activity leaves you feeling completely wiped out. You sweat like crazy, losing fluids and critical minerals your body needs to function. Your skin is under constant attack from UV rays, even with sunscreen. A day at the beach leaves you feeling inflamed and exhausted. And don't even get me started on that 3 p.m. zombie mode. You know what I'm talking about. You feel so wiped you'd trade anything for a nap, so you grab another iced coffee just to survive. You're not crazy. The heat forces your body to work overtime just to stay cool, and it drains your energy and messes with your head. They tell you to just drink more water, but that's a terrible strategy. It's not just about water. It's about replacing the electrolytes you lose when you sweat. Without them, you get muscle cramps, fatigue, and brain fog. This throws you into a death spiral. You're tired, you grab a sugary drink, you get a 30-minute boost, and then you crash even harder. But what if one single thing could fix all of this at once? So how do you fight back? With this. It's called Moringa oleifera, and it's basically nature's ultimate multivitamin. The stats on this thing are insane. Gram for gram, some comparisons show Moringa leaves can crush oranges in vitamin C, destroy milk in calcium, and obliterate bananas in potassium. The point is, it is absolutely loaded with vitamins and minerals. It also has all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. You can't just eat this instead of real food, but it's an unbelievable plant-based power-up. So what about other green powders? Matcha gives you energy because it's full of caffeine. Moringa is 100% caffeine-free. The energy you get is real energy from nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium that support your body on a cellular level. You're not just giving your body a jolt, you're giving it foundational nutrition. It's not a stimulant, it's a full-on system upgrade. Sunscreen is your shield, but what about your armor? When you're in the sun, it unleashes these things called free radicals that attack your skin and basically age you faster. It's insane. Moringa is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene that hunt down and destroy these free radicals. It's like a special ops team for your skin. The vitamin A in Moringa also helps support normal skin and collagen production, the stuff that keeps your skin from sagging. I have to say it again, this does not replace sunscreen, but it's the ultimate nutritional backup for your skin to keep it looking awesome all summer. Ever chug water all day but still feel terrible? Why? It's because when you sweat, you don't just lose water, you lose critical minerals called electrolytes. This is the stuff that actually makes your muscles and brain work. Losing them is why you get cramps, feel dizzy, and have the energy of a dead battery. Most people grab a sugary sports drink, which is a terrible idea. Moringa is loaded with the exact electrolytes you're losing, like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Adding a teaspoon of Moringa to your water or smoothie is like giving your body a supercharged hydration boost. It helps you restock the exact minerals you sweat out. This is how you actually hydrate and stop feeling so depleted after a day in the sun. That afternoon crash is the worst. The sun is high, the humidity is insane, and you have zero energy. So you grab an energy drink, you feel crazy for an hour, and then you crash harder than ever. It's a disaster. Moringa gives you energy the right way. Its power isn't a trick, it's just pure nutrition. It's a source of iron and B vitamins, the literal building blocks of energy in your body. Iron is what helps carry oxygen to your muscles and your brain, and if you don't have enough, you feel exhausted. B vitamins turn food into fuel. Moringa supports your body's own ability to make energy. It doesn't jack up your nervous system like caffeine. Instead, it builds a foundation for real, all-day energy. People who use it say they feel more alert and balanced, with no jitters, no anxiety, and absolutely no crash. You are literally stepping off the caffeine roller coaster for good. All right, you get it. This stuff is incredible. But does it taste like dirt? Yes. It's super earthy, almost like spinach mixed with horseradish. If you just dump a tablespoon in water, you will hate it. I'm telling you right now. The secret is to start small with half a teaspoon and hide it in stuff that already tastes amazing. First, the easiest way, the summer green Moringa smoothie. You will not even taste the Moringa. I promise. In a blender, just combine a half to a full teaspoon of Moringa, 1 frozen banana, a cup of frozen pineapple, a handful of spinach, and a cup of coconut water. Blend it. It's an incredible cooling breakfast. Next, for your next barbecue, make Moringa guacamole. This is the ultimate secret health hack. Mash up 2 avocados, add all the normal stuff, tomato, onion, cilantro, lime juice, salt, and then stir in 1 teaspoon of Moringa. And no one will ever know it's in there. Finally, make this moringa mint lemonade. In a pitcher, mix the juice of 2 lemons, 4 cups of cold water, and sweeten it with honey or maple syrup. Whisk in 1 teaspoon of Moringa until it's gone, then throw in fresh mint and tons of ice. It's a legit electrolyte drink that will destroy anything you can buy in a store. If you learned anything in this video, slam that like button right now. It seriously helps the channel. Now, I have a challenge for you. I want every single person watching to comment below. Have you ever tried Moringa? Or what's your secret summer weapon? I read every single comment, and I want to see what you guys are using. And if you want more life hacks that actually work, subscribe right now and turn on all notifications so you do not miss the next video. Do it. So there it is. Moringa isn't just some trend. It's an ancient superpower that is built to help you dominate the summer. It's a tool that supports your skin, supercharges your hydration, and gives you clean, crash-free energy. This summer, stop letting the heat win. By adding just a tiny bit of this green powder to your routine, in a smoothie, in guacamole, in anything, you're giving your body an insane advantage. It's a simple way to take over. Thanks for watching. Now go conquer the summer.